This is Parashat Tisa. Know that Parashat Tisa talks about one of the most crucial events that happened in Kahal Israel, and that's the golden calf sin that they did. Kahal Israel finally saw that Moshe Rabbeinu is not dead. Pastor says, we don't know Moshe what happened to him. And Perek Lamed Bet, Pasuk Aleph and Bet. Aaron told them what to do, and they make the egel zahab. Meanwhile, because in other words, the pastor says before that the egel is substitute Moshe, not Hagar. Everybody asks, how could they forget God? They didn't forget God. Of course they didn't forget God. But they said that Moshe is not. Once Moshe is not. Now who could substitute Moshe? Nobody could substitute Moshe. Nobody is such a high caliber to be talking to HaKadosh Baruch Hu straight. You have to make something symbolic for that to connect to God rather than Moshe Rabbeinu. Now, what's this thing? Why is it so terrible? Listen to Rambam. Rambam tells us, Rambam in Chot Teshuvah Perek Gimel Halacha Zayin tells us, Chamisha he nivraim minim. Now, we learn in Tefillah, laminim lamishlim. Minim. What does minim mean? Minim means non-believer. Now, who is a non-believer to God and will be considered like Avodah Zarah? Idol worshipers? There are 5 types. Rambam says in Chot Gimel Chazayin. Ha'omer, the first one, Ha'omer she'en sham eluha ve'ne'olam manhig. Atheist. There is no God. There is no manhig. There is no somebody to conduct the world. The world is happening immediately, like Amalek. Everything happens. That's the first one. Ha'omer sham manhig, aval hen shnayim bo yoter. Somebody says there is a conductor, there is a manhig, but it's not only one, it's 2 and 3. No? If you believe like that, it's not a belief. In other words, it's a non-believer. Oh, third one, gets better and better. Said there is Ribon Echad, but this Ribon has image, as goof, it's Ba'al Temuna. It's limited to image. He puts limitation in HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's not right HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's a non-believer. Fourth one. And fourth one is it's not only one by himself. There are others that have. That also is non-believer. Because HaKadosh Baruch Hu was just by himself. And all of these things is a failure to emunah. You can't connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu like the marriage, husband and wife. There are things with this intimacy of husband and wife. Husband says, no, I want to have another. Wife says, I want to have another child with another mother. Doesn't work. The intimacy is not there. These 5 things are creating the intimacy between HaKadosh Baruch Hu and God. So it's a chuppah of HaKadosh Baruch Hu and Israel. We cannot compromise anything in this chuppah. Fifth one, listen to this. Somebody serves star or a masar bezurato and something like that. He knows there is HaKadosh Baruch Hu, but he serves a star or mazal or something else. He wants that to be intimidated between himself and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He believes in real God. He's the real Hashem. He doesn't have goof. He's only one. He has everything that Hashem needs. The only thing is, he serves a kochab or mazal except Hashem. Now why? If there is Hashem, why do we want this kochab mazal? No, because I'm really intimidated between myself and Ribon Ha'olamim, right? To be melis. What does melis mean? The agent. I need the agent. This God, Ribon Kol Ha'olamim, is the master of universe. I cannot relate to him by myself. I need an agent to make the connection. Rambam says he's a non-believer. Unbeliever. 4 of these categories, they don't believe in the right God, right Hashem. The 5th one is very never. It's unfortunate because this 5th one believes in real God. He doesn't say there are 2 gods. He doesn't say that's the image. He believes that there is nobody except HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Everything is there. The only thing that is missing is He needs something between himself and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And he is called non-believer, like somebody who doesn't believe in God at all in one group meaning. What do we learn from it? We learn from it that not believing in yourself is as bad as not believing in God. Person doesn't believe in himself. He feels that he cannot make it, he cannot do it, he cannot connect. I need the millions. It's as bad as not believing in God. Because at the end of the day, you don't accomplish anything in your life. Because the purpose of our life is the connection and the development of HaKadosh Baruch Hu through God, through ourselves. Hashem gives us the vessels. Hashem gives us the talent. Hashem gives us the chokhmah and the wisdom that we should be able to connect. If we paralyze ourselves, we feel we don't have it, we feel we can't do it, that whatever that you said, like the Brisker Rab said, Nebach apikoros is apikoros. Somebody who doesn't know Shabbat, doesn't keep Shabbat, say, oh, unfortunately, he doesn't know Shabbat. He's a Jew, but he doesn't know Shabbat. Somebody who doesn't know God properly, we don't say unfortunate. We don't say that he's a Jew, one thing is missing. It's totally is not a Jew. His passport of being a Jew would be expired. Somebody who doesn't believe in himself that he could connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, his passport of being a Jew would be expired. He's not a Jew. First, the soul of a Jew is to believe in yourself, to feel that you could make it, you could make the connection. You are very close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Hashem is waiting and awaiting for your connection. You could make it, you could do it. It's the illusion and delusion of reality that you feel, I cannot do it, I need an agent. Hashem says, no, you don't need this Yetzer Hara. And that Yetzer Hara got to the Har Yisrael here, and they felt that they need somebody because they know HaKadosh Baruch Hu is tremendous. They saw Hashem. They don't know about HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We don't have a sort of understanding of how great HaKadosh Baruch Hu is. There was such much bigger trap for them. Well, we don't say Hashem is there, we don't Hashem also before. No, somebody who knows really HaKadosh Baruch Hu was in Har Sinai. He understood how great, how extensive HaKadosh Baruch Hu is. Therefore, they trapped in this trap that we need. Moshe Rabbeinu is not there. No, we need somebody to connect us. And that was such a great sin that HaKadosh Baruch Hu didn't like it, because HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants to be in touch with us directly without any agent.